natin ang pros and cons ng dental implants. Dental implants are a good choice for replacing your missing teeth because it looks and feels like natural teeth. Bukod doon, it can last a lifetime if well maintained and with good oral hygiene yung patient. It improves speech and comfort. Hindi ka na mag-aalalang malalaglagan ka ng pustiso at hindi rin ito bulky, kaya hindi makaka-apekto ito sa pagsasalita mo. It doesn't rely on your natural teeth for support, di katulad ng fixed bridges. Sa dental implants, hindi na kailangan mag-reshape ng natural teeth para maging stable at permanent ito, dahil ang support nito ay nanggagaling sa jawbone. May iwasan yung pagnipis o paglubog ng buto dahil kagaya ng natural teeth na nakadikit sa buto, nabibigay rin ng dental implants yung amount ng stimulation na kailangan. And it mimics a natural tooth so good that the body actually thinks that there's a real tooth embedded there. Alamin naman natin yung cons. Unang-una na dyan yung cost. So, one implant can range from 5 to 6 figures. There is a waiting time of at least 6 months bago mailagay yung permanent crown. Case selective dahil hindi siya para sa lahat, katulad na lang ng may uncontrolled diabetes, heavy smokers, those who are receiving radioactive therapy for cancer, below 18 years old who are still growing or has underdeveloped bone tissue, at meron pang mga iba na dadaan naman sa pagsusuri para malaman kung pwede ba sa inyo ang ganitong klaseng treatment. If you have any questions, leave a comment, add me on my Facebook and Instagram, like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!